Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new iPhone 12 Pro Graphite 128 gig. This is going to be my new daily driver for a phone and I'm kind of excited to use it. I've never owned an iPhone before. I've been an Android user my whole life pretty much. And since none of the Androids that came out recently have anything appealing to me, I don't know, just nothing that they showed kind of stuck with me. So I decided to go for an iPhone, and since Apple's been including a lot of the features I like in Android, but in their platform, so I decided to kind of switch over for a rotation of a phone and check it out what they got to offer. So let's go, boys. This Graphite 128 gig. I wanted to get the blue, but like at the last second, I looked at like a comparison video of the colors, and like the Graphite looked so much better in my opinion. I decided to go with the Graphite. So here we are, boys. Let's unbox this thing. So the plastic film is kind of scratched up because I think it's just been sitting in the store for so long, right? So let's just go ahead and peel it. Very nice. Well, what do you do next? How do people usually do it? Oh, it literally just opens like that. Okay, nice. All right. Here's the packaging. Pretty nice, you know. We get all the deets here and stuff, you know. We got the package here. And so now, first look. Ooh. Oh, it reflects light. Look at that. Wait, this is actually really sleek. Oh, my left camera turned off. I don't know why it does that. But you can see how it reflects light so well. Wow, dude. Jeez. Okay. Let's open it up. And here we go. Oh, whoa. It's feeling, there's fingerprints and stuff, dude. Hold on, what the hell? Oh, it's kind of heavy, dude. It's kind of heavy. This is how it looks here. Dude, I already got the fingerprints right here, dude. It's insane. But it looks good though, dude. Oh my god. Actually, okay, yo. Here we go, boys. Ooh. Okay. The Graphite looks great. Alright, let's see what else we have in here. So we got some... Oh, this is a USB to Lightning connector. So this is for charging and stuff and the data transfer. Here we have... Oh, wait, this is... How do you open this? Oh, okay, you don't open it. Okay, wait, yeah, so you get a sticker. Okay, nice. You get other information. More information and the SIM card, which I will need. And wait, that's it. Oh yeah, wait. They don't give us a charger, and I had to get one here, so I just got the, the regular 20 watt or something, right? So let's unbox this too. Why not? Wait. Oh. I thought I would need the luxarx branded unboxing knife, but there's a peeling point here. Nice. Okay. And open it up. And there it is. There it is. Pretty heavy though. Oh, there's a film thing. Oh, there you go. USB-C. Just what we needed. So yeah, that's all here, right? That's all the packaging stuff. Yeah. And of course, the phone. This thing is really sleek, dude. It's already getting some dust and stuff, dude. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna put this back, dude. I'm gonna wait for that screen protector and stuff, But yeah, this is really nice. Yeah, so that's it, boys. I'm out. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.